Hello everyone, and this is the explanation to this graph, total load charge and discharge, the electric vehicle in this graph. And there is two line. The first line is the charging line and the second line is discharging line, red one. And so as you see here from this graph is explained what is that is electric vehicle is charging and here and here and here. And where is this where is the electric vehicle is this charge, as you see here, of the high load and the electric vehicle in this charge. The energy stored in the electric vehicle, as you see here, in 3 period, and the other period the electric vehicle is charging mode and charging from that. So, and the other word, and in discharging mode the electric vehicle export energy to the grid, and the charging mode the electric vehicle imported energy from. This is the benefit from this. So we hope this is clear, and thank you.